Hiya, welcome back to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. This is a continuation of my last video where I was sorting out my savings challenges, and I'm going to stuff today my savings challenges. I have 10 active savings challenges on the go at the moment, and I really want to try and wrap up as much as I can before the ending of the year. I haven't stuffed my 100 envelope challenge in a long while, so I'm going to start with that. I'm going to get the dice out, and I'm going to use red today. Got 100 envelopes in here if it's your first time visiting my channel, and I have 20s, 10s. Have I got 15s in here? I think I've got 20s, 15, 10s and 5s, I believe, that I have in on the envelopes. And whatever the dice lands on, whatever number, I count the envelopes, and whatever envelope I pull out, it's got an amount on it that I'm going to stuff. I couldn't sleep, so I just thought I'd quickly come and do this. Right, so that's 4 and 3, that's 7, so I will count 7 envelopes. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and we have £20 here. I didn't even count the money, did I? Got £140 that I'm going to stuff with today. But remember, the last video I had listed all the challenges. Now I may leave out a couple that that can go into the new year, so I'm going to see how that goes, but I'm going with the flow right now. And let me quickly count that money. So we've got £20 that for that. So that's 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 30, 40. Alright, okay, so that's £20, and then we'll roll again. That's 10, 5 and 5 is 10, so I will count 10 envelopes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's see, that's £10. So I will just put that there, and then 20 goes in here, and they will both go to the back where I have partitioned it off. So all these behind here I have stuffed already, so I'll just put these back there. Lovely, that was a good start, and I'll put that aside. Next, I would like to complete the mini money matters binder. Such a cute little binder. I'm going to finish it. It's 25 now. I need some change. Let's see, got some change here. That's 10. Let's do some change. Alright, so let's count. That's 5. Each fruit is £5. That's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. That's 25. I'll just mark that off. get the black. So that's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, all done. They're all ticked off. Tick them off. Yay, so that's all finished, and all the money is in this wallet for the booklet. So that's completed now, so I don't have to worry about that. I forgot that I've got these left for in the Mini Money Matters series, so I'm going to sort those out and see what I can do, because I've only got I've got the Mini Money Matters, that's fruit, that's done. Then I've got the £90 autumn leaves, the £80 puzzle, the £100 rainy day fund, the wellies, green mini challenge, bag a book, big roll the dice, small roll the dice, shut the box, and 100 envelopes. So that's done. And I'm going to leave out the autumn and the rainy day for now and see how that goes. I may even leave out the puzzle as well. That's £20. We'll see. Seeing as I didn't add these ones in, that's £10, save 200 challenge, and I've got some £10 here on the Tree Menders Leaf of Faith. I'll be saving the money. I can stuff maybe 15. I'll see, because I haven't got any more 10s here, and that's it. I think any 10s will be fine to stuff. So let me stuff that then. This is so cute, absolutely cute. Yeah, I'd like to put £10 in this and see that grow. Yes, why not? So I'm just gonna mark it here with the black ink so I know that I have done it, and that's £10. We'll give that a little wafty. And the Tree Menders Leaf of Faith I can also do, because that's still got £10 here. Yeah. Oops, that's black. Supposed to pick up the green. Okay, that's that. That's 10. We'll give that a wafty as well. Sorry about the glare. Just looked into the camera, and I think I will just carry on with the list. That was fine, so I'm going to write that down so I know that. So I've done the save 200. I'll put £10 in today, and then the Tree Menders, right? Leaf of Faith. I'm just writing it down here because I will forget, and that got £10 as well. So I'll just tick them. Great. Okay, so that's finished for now. I'll just put that back here. Let's do the small roll the dice. I can't even remember what envelope, that's in. And let's do a green. I've been on the green and reds because of the season. I may only do one today. Let's see how that goes. So that's 4. Let's do another one. That's 7. 4 and 3, 7. Let's do £10 for that. And we will colour those in not hot pink. Let's try this blue. 4 and 3. Here's a 3 up here. That's more like a grey. I think it's coming to the end of its shelf date. And a 3. Let's do a lime green. Let's do a 4 because we've just done the 3. Here is a 4. Right. And that can go into here. Now I'm going to mark it off. I haven't got the big roll the dice, the bag book or the green savings challenges with me right now. I'm going to count up what we've got left. Got 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, and this is to put towards the big roll the dice, bag a book and the green mini challenge. I will get those out in a day or so and do those. I might be able to do shut the box actually if the others don't take all the money. I liked what I did so far, so those are all done and I've ticked them all off because I'm just really trying to keep a check on what challenges I've got left. And for the mini money matters series, I'm just going to write down the rest that I've got. I didn't put I'll be saving, so I've got to add that one in. I'll be saving, I think that's it. I'll just put that there. I'll be saving, yep. So I know so I didn't do that one and the rest, and I'll get those done in the week. But in the meantime, thanks for stopping by and watching my videos. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Take care of your good selves and I will see you back soon. Bye for now.